So this is GBJPY. Now we are looking at the weekly overview. We are looking at what is going to happen on GBJPY for this coming week. So we are going to start from the daily time frame, and we are going to start from the weekly time frame in this instance. In this instance, we are going to start from the weekly time frame because we are looking at this like a swing trader. So we are just looking at the weekly overview as a swing trader. So this is the weekly overview. Now, if you look at the weekly, we can see we are coming in a downtrend on the weekly. Yeah, on the weekly, we are in a downtrend on the weekly. Looking at the weekly, okay, fine. We are on the downtrend on the weekly. So, okay, let's see. Let's see what do we have. Yeah. Yeah. You can see, yeah, looking at the weekly, this is the structure I see on the weekly. So, if we are in a downtrend, this is the higher high, lower high, lower low. This is another lower high. So, I think there is high probability for price to form a lower low. Yeah, there's high probability for price to form a lower low on this weekly time frame. So having do that on the weekly time frame, we go to the 4 hour to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we take a big zoom. Now looking at daily time frame, what do we have here? We have a daily resistance here. We have a daily strong support here. Then we have this area. When you look at daily very well, we have this area here. We have this support area, previous support area here. Yeah, we have this previous support. So price broke this support, so it's like price is creating like a retest here to continue going down. So looking at this daily, this is the idea I can see on this daily time frame. So we are coming from here, we broke this area, price created a low to retest this area to come down to this area. So this is what I think we have on this daily time frame, but we cannot get for the market. So let's go to the 4 hours. Now looking at the 4 hours, so what do we now looking at the 4 hours? Yeah, I think we are good. Yeah, this will be a good sell trade. Yeah, this week GBJPY will be going down. There's high probability for GBJPY. Now let's go back to the daily. So the weekly bias is there's high probability for GBJPY to retest this area, form a resistance and come down to this area. This is our weekly daily our bias. What is going to happen within this week? GBJPY is going to sell. So having the opportunity that GBJPY is going to sell is going to be bearish. Now let's look at the 4 hours. Now on the 4 hours, we have this resistance as well holding. Then we have this support here on the 4 hours. We have this support here on the 4 hours. So since we have that, yeah, I think let's go to the 1 hour. So yeah, on the 1 hour, yeah, we have the same thing on the 1 hour, but look at the 1 hour, we are seeing something else on the 1 hour here. So on the 1 hour, we have a very strong resistance here. We have a strong resistance here. We have a zone here on the 1 hour as well. Okay, so on the 1 hour, we have this area here. Let's adjust this to this area. So now for scalper, for blah 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 like it can be, this will be a good trade for a scalper. Break and retest, since we are looking for sell on the overall trend. Yeah, break and retest here will be a trade for scalper. Break and retest from this area will be a trade for a scalper as well. So those are the things I see here. Break and this is already a confirmed sell trade, but because the market will open, so we have to give the market opportunity to breathe in this area. So once the market finish breathing here, if we break below this area, we break and retest, we have a sell down to this area. Then from here, if we break this area, we are coming down to this area, then we can start doing what we want. So that's the outlook on GBJY for this week. That's what we are expecting on GBJY. We're expecting GBJY to go down to 133 500 or to 133, yeah, to 133 500. We expect GBJPY to go down to 133 500 at least. That's our bias on GBJPY. All the analysis we have here are bearish. We are looking for GBJPY to go down to 133 500. So that's what I have on this currency pair. That's just what I have for you guys today. Yeah, that's the bias. So now since the overall bias is bearish, we expect the weekly time frame and the daily for everything to go down to be bearish. Now what you have to do as a scalper is to just look for areas where you can take sales, you can take sales. So that's what you have to do. Look for areas where you can take sales. So that's what you have to do. Now looking at this 1 hour, the first area where a good sell will be good is if price can just come down, break this area, a break and retest from this area will be a very clean sell trade. I won't lie to you. This will be a very clean sell trade, guys. A very clean sell trade. Break and retest will be a very clean sell trade. You guys are coming late. You guys are coming very, very late. This class was scheduled for 9 p.m. So we are coming very, very, we are done, I think. So what are this now? So this is the outlook. Since we will look from the weekly to the daily, the bias on GBJ price for us to look is for us to look for a sell throughout this week. Yeah, we prefer sell trade throughout this week. Yeah, but don't look at that. GBJ price can be crazy. You can still take buy trade, but you can still take buy trade. But since the overall bias based on the, if I'm a swing trader, I will have take swing trade from this area. Yeah, I will have take swing trade, but because we are scalpers, so these are the areas you can look for clean and sweet sell trades. If we break this level, we are coming down to this level. Yeah, to 1 3 4 5 4. Then if we break this level, we are coming down to this level. Yes, these are very, very good areas where you can take sell trades on this currency pair. I will drop this video on the group now. Yeah, I will drop this video. Yeah, so that is what I just want to show you guys. I've dropped the risk management video in the group. Please watch it. We will have a very intensive class on risk management tomorrow, and I'm going to show you everything I state in that video, how you can just make them, how you can compose them to just 3 rules, how you can make them, you can make them 3 rules, how you make risk management class, trading psychology class, how you can make them to just 3 things only, 3 things only, that you are going to be doing everything perfectly with 3 things. That's my secret. I'm going to tell you tomorrow how to make sure risk management, you don't have to cram everything that is in there. You don't have to make sure, you know, you just break it down to 3 things. These 3 things, once you can do them conveniently, you can set a rule for them and you can do those 3 things, follow those 3 rules, you are good with trading. Trading will become very, very easy for you, like it is for us now. So that is all for today. Please watch the video and make sure you drop your comments, ask your question before 6 p.m. tomorrow. We'll be having the class 8 p.m. tomorrow. Please and please, it's very, very important if this class means a lot to you. So that's all. I'll send this video to the group now. Let's pray the network is fine so that you guys can watch, because I think a lot of you miss it. So